to review for Unit 6. I'm going to start by reading our goal together. So everybody read it with me at I can solve. Ready? I can solve single, 1, and multi-step, 2 or more problems. So a lot of word problems, we're going to be doing a lot of single step and multi-step, 2 or more, kind of like we did throughout the whole unit, using multiple or many strategies. Those are like methods or ways, and models. It's like pictures or number lines. So we're going to be using math mountains, comparison bars, equal groups, fast arrays, whatever you need to do, in, like equations. And it's going to be involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, while relating or connecting addition to subtraction and multiplication to division. And you saw throughout this whole unit, you saw me really making connections between those. That's why the pictures and all the different models really help with that. Okay, I'm going to start by just reading number 1 and number 2, and then we'll come back to kind of check this page out. Okay, so Mr. Taylor arranges some chairs in rows. Okay, so we don't know how many chairs go in each row yet. He puts the same number of chairs in each of 7 rows and puts 7 chairs in the last row. Okay, so the same number of chairs are going to go in 7 rows, but then he saves an extra 7 for the last row. So that means, probably to me, that means like all those first 7 rows, they don't have the same amount, but the last one is going to have 7, as this one. So these ones, I should say, so these 7 rows all have the same amount. This last one is going to have just 7. So these ones are different than this. So he sets up 70 chairs. How many chairs does he put in each of the 7 rows? Okay. All right. So then down below, choose the equation that can be used to solve the problem. I can use the equation. So if you were going to be putting all your steps together, which equation would match up to all of that? Okay. And then down below, you're going to be solving your problem. All right. Number 2. Marisol picks 150 flowers. She picks 80 red flowers, and the rest are yellow. She sells 45 yellow flowers. How many yellow flowers does she have now? So she has 150 total. 80 are red, rest are yellow. Then she sells, so she sells 45 yellow flowers. How many yellow flowers does she have now? Okay, well, we're going to have to first figure out how many yellow she has. So for numbers 2a through 2e, choose yes or no to tell whether the equation can be used to find the number of yellow flowers Marisol has now. Okay, so can I use this equation to solve this? So like can I do 150 minus 80 and then minus 45 to get that? Okay, can I do 150 plus 80, then minus 45? Okay, can I do 150, would I do 150 plus 80 plus 45? Okay. This is, okay, so 150 is my total. Can I do 85 plus 45 plus that to all get up to this? 150, maybe. Or can I do this one? Can I take 80 minus 45 plus that to figure out what my total is? Okay, for this one, I recommend do the problem first. Well, I really want you to, not a recommendation, solve this problem first, show your work. That will help you figure out which one of those you should be able to use. Okay, come back and check your thinking.